Hello children, welcome to the VVPS e-learning class. Children, as you all know and we all remember that from last many days we were completing lesson number 6, the coastal plains and islands. Yesterday we have finished our lesson number 6, all question answers. Now children, moving towards next, we have a new chapter. The name of the chapter is The Climate of India. The Climate of India. Now we'll study about this new chapter, The Climate of India, that I think you all know very well, because from very small classes like 1, 2 and 3, we are studying about the climate of India. Clear? Now first of all, we'll try to understand the meaning of climate. Children, what is the meaning of climate? Climate means the weather conditions that remains for a long period of time is known as climate. And the weather conditions that remains for a short period of time is known as weather. And that is why children, weather changes every day. Okay, it becomes sunny, it becomes cloudy, it becomes rainy. So that is weather. And that is why in news always they are telling you the weather forecast, means what will be the weather tomorrow. The climate is the weather condition that remains for a long period of time. That is, we have 3 type of climate, isn't it? Okay, let's move and we'll try to understand about the chapter now. As India is a big country, it has a wide range of landforms like mountains, plateaus, and plains. What they said, as India, our country is a big country, children, we have many types of landforms. Landform means, break this word and see, land forms. Types of lands we have, like somewhere we have mountains, somewhere we have plateaus, somewhere we have plains, as we are on the plain areas. Clear? These affect the climate in various parts of the country. Because of these landforms only, the climate changes in various parts of our country. Clear? The lifestyle depends on the climate of the place one lives in, and that also you knows very well. Lifestyle means the type of living always depends, children, on the climate of the place. Like if the place is very cold, people always used to wear woolen clothes. If the place is very hot, people used to wear light clothes, cotton clothes. है ना? So in this way, always the type of living depends on the climate of the particular place. There are some places where the climate is extremely hot, while at others it is very cold, as I told you. There are some places that get heavy rainfall, and there are others that do not get any rainfall for years. So many type of climate can be there. Like somewhere it can be extremely hot, somewhere it can be cold, somewhere it can be heavy rainfall, and somewhere there is no rainfall at all. Clear? So some places get floods due to heavy rainfall. The places that receives very heavy rainfall, they face floods problem, while some places are hit by droughts. Droughts means sukha. Droughts and famines due to little or no rainfall. Because of droughts, people, they have scarcity of food and all. That is, droughts and famines due to little or no rainfall. All these factors are decided by the climate of a place. So who decides this? All these factors, the climate decide these factors. There will be heavy rainfall, the floods will be there, or droughts of famines will be there. There are 3 main seasons in India. We have 3 main seasons: summer, monsoon, and winter. Now let's study about summer season. Summer in India begins in April and extends up to mid-June. ठीक है? Means 15th June. Till 15th June we have proper summers. From March onwards, the days of the sun, begin to fall on the Indian subcontinent directly. इन्होंने कहा as the month March starts, the rays of the sun, it it is on Indian subcontinent, it comes directly to Indian subcontinent, and that is why this time from March to mid June, it becomes very hot. The days become longer and the nights shorter, due to which the days in summers, the days are longer and the nights are short. Temperature rises slowly and continuously. Continuously means regularly. Temperature rises slowly, but every day the temperature rises up. By June, the extreme heat makes it difficult for the people living in plains to move out of their homes. Until June, the weather becomes so hot that it is very difficult for the people to move out from their houses. The schools are closed for 2 months, and that is why you people are getting summer vacations. Hot winds called Lu blow during the day. This also you know very well. During daytime, you face Lu, isn't it? Everywhere. Dust storms are very common in desert regions, because in desert regions the sand is there, and that is why people have to face dust storms. Clear? Sometimes northern plains experience strong winds and hailstorms when dry and moist air comes in contact with each other. They said that in plain areas sometimes we face strong winds, and also hailstorms means children ole girna. So sometimes we face strong winds and sometimes we face hailstorms during this summer season. This brings some relief from the heat, because of which people feel relaxed. In the coastal plains, the weather is not very hot because of the cool sea breeze blowing in that area. Because of the coastal plains, children, in coastal plains, because of water, the weather is not very hot, because when the cool breeze blows, it becomes relaxing. Humidity is very high in this area because of the moisture in the air. Humidity means when in air some water comes, then it is known as humidity. Clear? Because of the moisture in the atmosphere, the water droplets that is there in the atmosphere, it mixed with air, and that is known as humidity. And that is, children, it is unbearable. The weather is cool in hilly regions because the temperature falls with increase in height above the sea level. This also you know, children, from plain areas towards mountains, as we move from down to up, children, the temperature falls down, and as the temperature falls down because of the increase in height, it becomes cool, and that is why when we move towards the mountains, it becomes cooler than plains. Many people from plains go to hilly areas like Mussoorie, Nainital, Shimla, Darjeeling, Ooty, Mount Abu, etc. And that is why we people that they are living on the plain areas, we are very interested to move towards the mountains, because there we feel very comfortable. The king of fruits, mango, is a special treat of this season. In summer season, we always enjoy mangoes. That is the king of fruits. That is known as the king of fruits. People go to hill stations in summer. See, people used to visit these places. Now monsoon. We feel a sense of relief when it rains after the hot summer days. After the summer season, when the monsoon or the rainy season comes, we feel very happy. The rainy season starts from coastal regions in June and covers the whole of India by the middle of July. Children, the rainy season, it starts first of all from the coastal areas. Clear? And that starts from June and it covers the whole India. Means the rainy season starts in whole India in the mid of July, that is 15th July. Clear, children? I hope, children, you all have understood this much. Now I will explain you rest of the things. I'll explain you tomorrow. Clear, children? Okay, children, stay at home, stay safe and keep yourself healthy. Thank you.